Rather good morning. What I have here today is an amplifier. I got it from Temu, hi-fi audio amplifier, hi-fi stereo. Um, it is a AK270 model. The input is 12 volts, three amps, and then they say the speaker that I can use is between 4 and 16 ohm. So the normal is maar 4 ohms or 8 ohms. Here's the labels. Okay, let's just start here. What is we have here? It is a power on off switch. There's auxiliary input. There's a volume control. There's a treble and a bass. Okay, now we're gonna see in the back here what is going on in the back here. Here's your RCA inputs from your preamp. There's your speaker terminals, left and right. And then is your power input 12 volt. Alright, now to connect this thing, we first gonna, what I made here, let's just put this down here. I just connect the speakers there, obviously from the speaker outputs. And for the input, I'm gonna use an old cell phone. I'm gonna put music on a cell phone and then put a RCA 35mm here. And then I join it here. The two white to red, center, left, right, and the ground together. And this is goes to obviously to the RCA inputs, left and right. And then the power supply. I put this jack here. They say tells you the positive is the center, negative is the output, the outer casing. And then I'm going to put my power supply here, 12 volt, from a connector block, coupler clips, positive, negative. I'm going to put here. Okay. Now I can see the light is on here. I'm going to put the volume down. And now I'm going to put my cell phone here on music. It's like free music, then they don't have a hassle with copyright on YouTube. Let me just put the music on here on the cell phone first. This is like royalty free music. You can see here now, I plug it in here. Now it's supposed to I'm going to put the volume up here. So you can see both is playing. There's very nice sound. Let's put the bass and the treble. But I see that you're relative, you have to put the volume on full blast on your cell phone for be able to have a nice volume. So depends on you must just put the right volume here and to get the right input impedance for the sound to be perfect. You can put the maximum. That's very nice sound. We can take some other music. So it depends on what you like. So this is just to show you how this thing works. So I think this is successful. This is how you just put the cell phone off. So as I say, this is a nice amplifier. It's very cheap. It's like about 100, 200 rand, South African rand, so it's very not much. And it's about, what is it, $10, I would say, about. And I'm gonna open it for you in the back. I just want to make it, see how it goes, and then I'm just gonna unplug here quickly. Let's put the power supply off, and then unplug here, and the power. Let's put these things here. Then you can see how it looks on the inside. And the first thing we're gonna do is to go open the screws here. This was hold the back plate to these speaker connectors. Let's just put them aside, and then we make the casing, the plate and the casing. The heatsink is normally connected here, so from the output IC, audio IC. So let's play the thing off here, and this is what it is. You can see how it looks inside. Let me just try to open this thing. I see there's like you have to unscrew that. I'm not going to do that now, but this is how it looks inside. There's a chipset inside here for the heatsink, and then the potentiometers, and there's the op amp chippy inside here, and that's it. And this is how you let's just try to maybe open this thing, then you can see much better. Then we slide this out, and you just open the front as well. And we can take the whole thing apart. Okay, there's it. Okay, let me just quickly explain here. So here's your potentiometers. There's a LED that gives us blue 50 Ks, and then there's your on-off switch, and there's your auxiliary input, there's your preamp. You can see here by the RC inputs. You can just, there's your input chippy, and then there's your output chip. So they put a little heatsink there that it can get rid of the heat, and that's it. So it works nice. So this is my capacitor for the supply, and there's a diode for the input, that you don't put the supply the wrong way around. This is basically in a lot of components, not surface mount, just like this normal leaded components. Okay, now you know how this thing looks inside. Very cheap, but it sounds nice. Nice for a car radio. If your car radio is, maybe the amp is broken, then you can use RCA inputs, and then you have sound. Okay, that's it. That is all from my story. I hope you learned something. Till next time, cheers.